So in this video, we'll learn how to create the input field like agency ID, customer ID, and booking fee, and how we can populate its line item. Let's say, as you can see, travel agency ID, customer ID, starting ID, and so on. And click on go, then you can see its output as well. Okay, so this thing we'll cover in this video. So stay tuned on the same video. So here we have created a CDS root view entity with name CDS travel. So, and as you can see, I select from a data source name. So here we have to provide the data source name. So we'll use existing data source name. So I'll use this one. And just comment this line. Now we'll try to insert its element. So you can do the same using control and space button. And you can see there are lots of fields are visible. So if you'll click on first insert all element, then it will insert all the fields in a single hit. So I'm doing the same. Yeah, so now you can see our one CDS view has been created with all fields. So just activate the same CDS. Now we'll create another CDS view. That would be a projection view on the same. So let's create. Alright, new data definition. Put the CDS name. Projection. Travel. Next. Next. Finish. So now we'll create a projection view. Projection on this. And insert all element. Or you can insert as per your requirement as well. So for demo purpose, I am adding all the element as of now. Now we have added all the fields. Just activate the same. Now you can see Our projection view has been created and activated successfully. So now next step is we have to create a metadata for the scene. Metadata is a different type of, you can say, CDS, where we can define ABAP CDS UI annotations. So I'll show you how we can create the metadata extension. So click on new and you can see there is an option to create a metadata extension. So just click on the same and put the name. Y CDS travel data for travel, and put the entity name. And here we have created a CDS projection view, so we'll put the same here, CDS travel projection. Next. Just do the finish. Okay. So as you can see, there is one annotation is coming by default meta layer. So here we have to select the meta layer hash core. And insert the fields as per requirement. Let's say I just want to display agency ID and beginning date, let's say. So I'll put agency ID and yeah. So now you can see one error is coming. It's saying this annotation is missing in this. So what we'll do now? We'll add this annotation in our projection view, which we have created earlier. So just open the projection view. At the rate metadata allow extension true and activate. So after activation, you can see so here you can see one error is coming and they are saying you must have at least one annotation. So metadata is a type of, you can say, CDS view where you have to write UI annotation, and UI annotation is nothing. It's a, you can say, it's a view, it's a place where you can design the UI for our Fiori app. So let's say I just want to display this travel ID as a line item. Okay, as a line item like this, you can see here. So to use the same, we have a annotation, UI annotation, UI dot line item, select the one, and after that we have to decide its position. So I'm putting position one. So this would be the line item, and now we want a selection input field. Let's say I want to use this one, mm, customer ID as a selection field. So for this you metadata, what would be the output for this? So we'll say, so just activate the same. Now what is the next step? Till now we have created as you can see in the our package, and you can see till now we have created two CTS view. One is a main CTS view and second one is a projection view, and after that we have created a one metadata extension where we are calling this projection view. And metadata extension is nothing, it's a view where we can define our UI annotation. So now next job is need to display this in our Fiori in our Fiori app. So to do the same, what we need to do? So now we'll create a binding for the same. So how we can do the same? Yeah, so what we can do, just click on the same. Yeah, select the projection view and do the right click and click on new service definition. Just put the service name, travel SRV. Travel SRV. So it's saying don't use blank character. I'm gonna try to fix. Okay, now we are getting some error. Let's try to fix it. So create a metadata with reference to the projection view. Click on next, next, and finish. you can see our service definition has been created with reference to CDS, I mean projection CDS, you can say. So just activate the same. Now what is the next step? We have to bind the service definition. So how we can do the same? Just click on the CDS view, click on service binding. Just wait. So after refresh the existing package, you can see one node has been created within the package. You can see business nodes has been created. Now we'll bind the service definition. Just click on this and you can see there is an option to bind you can see here in service definition by default service definition is coming. And one more important thing you need to do. So binding type. Without binding type you cannot proceed further. So what you need to do, you have to select the binding type, and you can see there are lots of binding types available. So earlier we used OData V2 UI, but nowadays we are using this. This is the latest one, so we'll go with this. Yeah. Now service binding has been done, but you can see one warning is coming. So they are saying to enable it, we have to publish the thing. So before publishing, we have to activate the binding first. Then we'll do the publish. So it will take few minutes. Now you can see one customer ID is there as an input parameter and one UI line item is there. So if I'll press on go button, then you can see travel ID is coming along with some data, and if I'll click on a customer ID, So in this video you have learned how to create a CDS view and how to create a metadata extension and how we can create the service for the same. And you have learned here how we can populate the line item and as well as the selection field using Fiori URL. So in next video we'll see how we can create the value help in a selection field. As you can see, if you will do F4 on the customer ID, then you can see there is no option to select the values from there. Okay, but we can do the filter manually. Let's say I just want to see customer ID for 495. Press enter. Then you can see it's working fine as per the input value. So, but we don't have any input field in the same as like this app. So you can see if I click on the same, then you can see some customers are coming. So this thing we will discuss in the next video. Along with this, we can see how we can create the drop down input field. So catch you in the